Hello, in front of me I have got GloriousModelD. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PC. GloriousModelD has two versions, wired and wireless. In case of wired version, simply connect USB cable to your PC. In case of wireless version, we've got two options. We can connect the mouse to PC via 2.4G adapter or cable. The best way is to connect cable to adapter and then transmitter to adapter, because thanks to this you will have quick access for charging. As you can see, that's everything you need to connect the mouse to PC. There is no need for any further configurations or setups. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.